Hello students. So this is the last question from the topic vector algebra. Before watching this video, kindly watch the previous parts. Right now, the last question says A is given, B is given. Acha, C is A cross B. This we can easily find out. And D be a vector such that D minus A is root 11. Acha, C cross D. Mod C cross D is 3, and the angle between C and D is 45 degrees. Then A dot D is equals to. Okay, I think we have to first find C vector. So C vector will be A cross B. That will be I, J, K. So 2, 1, minus 2. And B is 1, 1, 0. So what will we get? I think we get 2 minus J should be plus 2. Again, 2 minus 1 is 1. So ultimately we get 2 I cap minus 2 J cap plus K cap. So this is vector C. Acha, mod D minus A is root 11. So we will square on both sides. If I square on both sides, we get what is magnitude of D minus A whole square? That will be mod D square plus mod A square minus 2A dot D, right? That will be equals to 11. We have squared on both sides, dear students. Yeah. Now can we find mod A? Acha, mod A is nothing but under root of 2 square plus 1 square plus minus 2 square from here. So that should be equals to 3. Mod A. Acha. So mod D square plus here we get 9 minus 2 A dot D. Acha, that's what we want here. Okay. So what is mod D? So we don't know what is the value of mod D square. Minus 2A dot D will be equals to 11 minus 9 is 2. So I think this is equation 1. What else can we do? Okay, now this is a very important thing. C cross D. Mod C cross D is 3. Mod C cross D is equals to 3. If I square on both sides, I get magnitude of C square, magnitude of D square into sine theta. Theta is the angle between C and D, which is 45, right? Sine square 45. I'm squaring on both sides, dear students. So 3 square is 9. Magnitude of C from here. Now this is right, this is C vector. What will vector C, magnitude of C will be equals to? That will be 2 square plus minus 2 whole square plus 1 square. Again, that will be mod C will be again 3, right? So here we get 9 because mod C is 3, mod C square will be 9 into mod D square into sine 45 is 1 by root 2, sine square 45 will be 1 by 2. So we get mod D square is equals to 2. So now equation 1 implies 2 minus 2A dot D will be equals to 2. I think from here we get A dot D is equals to 0, right? If we have done the calculation correctly, we get it as 0, and I think 0 is the answer. Thank you for watching this video, dear students. Meet you with the next one. And before I conclude, sorry, if you have any other methods of solving these questions, kindly comment your methods in the comment section. That's it. Thank you.